Meeting Dali. Could you highlight some points upon that?
The road safety meeting, we are implementing whatever the Supreme Court guidelines are there. Like for example, there have been so many pedestrian deaths. So Supreme Court has given directions that all agencies, whether municipalities, panchayats, other bodies, PWD department, wherever people are crossing, there have to be proper space for our pedestrians. So accidents cannot be the norm. So in that regard, that meeting was specially called to adhere to the Supreme Court guideline. Instructions have been issued to all the departments.
Okay, another eyes CMAनी म्हटलेलें तुमी म्हटलेलें आसा की more powers would be given to zillas, even Gram Sabhak तेका attend करपाक, water conservation, so all this and the pavers आनी फकत sound system दिनाका
We are definitely going to give them little more powers than what they are having, so that practically on the field they are able to do something. So we are still in the discussion stage, but सरकाराची मनस्थिती अशी जाला की त्यांना आणि power दिवपा जाय.
So
How much fund they will be allotted now this year?
They will get much more than what they are getting, as there is always an increase in the on the amount of funds that different bodies get. So Zilla Panchayat definitely will get more funds and they will be doing more work than what you are seeing today.
and will it be only on Gram Sabha and Yopajo any more powers ZP would be given as far as Panchayat is concerned? Panchayat.
They will be even able to attend their meetings. They will not have voting right.
Panchayat meetings.
Yes, so that they are able to give their view.
Panchayat
But
body
they-
असता
yes,
पळय
even Panchayat body as well as for Gram Sabhas.
No, but they will be called or then in your
No,
attend
they
करता.
will have a right to be present. That they will have to call them, no, naturally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because एक पड एकामेकाचें पटना जाल्यार तांकां आपयना तसलें
See,
जाता.
that thing does not work in a democracy. And whatever means procedure is enunciated by the government, they have to follow. They may not dislike somebody, doesn't mean they throw him out in the sea. They have to respect the Zilla member.
You had also earlier mentioned saying that more Gram Sabha, more monthly meetings would be held. ते खंय पावला सर earlier
We
म्हटलेलें
have done it now. The frequency has increased. So now practical implementation, they are a little lethargic. We will look into that now.
because some of the panchayat have even for a year they have not called Gram Sabha.
I know that. You also know that. We'll see what action can be taken. Yeah.
Mavin sir, the year has been ended right now. The taxi issue will be solved now? Because
What is that?
Taxi issue.
As I said last time, very clearly, CM is seized of the matter. The ball is in his court. Whatever inputs transport department has to give, I have to give, I have given. So he will anytime call a meeting and perhaps decide. Now, as I said, it will happen this year. I was hoping it will happen next year. Next year is just tomorrow.
But how long it will take, sir? Because the पुढे वसता.
You know the circumstances why it is being delayed. You know the prevailing circumstances as against what the state of means tourists coming, and this is tourist season. We don't want any major disruption.
Okay, last New Year. So your wishes.
My good wishes to all the lovely people of Goa on the occasion of New Year. We are on the eve of welcoming 2026. सगळे गोंयकारांक उनुनीत परबी दिता नव्या वर्साचे इन एडवान्स आनी सगल्यांक हें वर्स बरें जावचें. आनी हांव इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदतां, सरकार आपलें काम करता हांव म्हणना सगळें परफेक्टली जाता म्हणून. एकदां चुक्यो जावपाक शकता. सुदार हाडपाचे आमचे सरकाराचे डेफिनेटली प्रयत्न आसतली. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चलता तेजेवन बरें चलपाचें आनी न्यू इयराक एक नवें एक दिशा दिवपाची गोंयकारांक बऱ्या पडटा ती, आनी गोंयकारांची इंट्रस्ट आमकां राखपाक मेळटा तशी.